European Human Rights LLM program is designed for practitioners. We understand that this area of law is becoming more and more important, not only for academia, but for the everyday practice.
We invite everybody who is interested in being in an encouraging learning environment, those who have legal backgrounds, who will work as lawyers or being in the public sphere or work as NGO representatives, international local ones.
I work in this field and I wanted to have a broader context of the whole subject. I had my law degree from ELTE, so for me it was an advantage that I knew where I was coming.
Personally, for me, it was a great opportunity to add to my labor law PhD, which I'm currently doing at the same university, and it gives me the opportunity to look at the human rights aspects of my research topic. The students are also a very diverse bunch, which comes very useful at times, so the community is very inspiring in a lot of ways.
We understand that this case law is quite complicated in the meantime, and it's quite wide. I don't only mean the European Convention on Human Rights, I also mean the case law of the Court of Justice of the European Union. So it's a specific knowledge which is very difficult to gather otherwise.
ELTE has a long tradition of law studies, and I find that this tradition shines through this program as well.
It's a very good opportunity for people who want to learn the English language terminology when it comes to these areas of law. And that is definitely going to be useful when you go back to work.
And it is always really challenging when you study in a foreign language, when you meet new colleagues with different professional backgrounds.
Most of your professors are also practicing lawyers.
I really broaden my knowledge, I get some practical skills as well.
We try to analyze the different cases and we try to teach the students the technicalities of the different procedures. Because the European Court of Human Rights has its own special rules and special formats. The Court of Justice of the EU has a very different approach. That's something you can only learn in practice or you can learn here with us.
We gathered internationally recognized professors from ELTE and other institutes as well, who giving a complex overview on human rights issues for practicing lawyers and those interested in academia. We prepare students for outstanding international litigation careers in the human rights field.
ELTE is a university which has been around for quite some time. That is, I suppose, important when you make this kind of decision. This university is one of the Hungarian universities when it comes to legal training which are the most progressive in the sense that they are connected to the requirements of students, but not only students, but also the requirements, the expectations of the legal profession in general.
The school has quite good ranking within the law faculties in the European Union or in the Central Europe, and the lecturers are really professionals in their fields of law. Definitely it's worth trying at least to study here, to try this environment.